Good day, philosophers. And for my thesis is that too many strict rules stop people from thinking new ideas and slow down progress. For three supporting points. First is freedom helps people to make new and creative ideas. Second, open mind can think better when there are fewer limits. Third, rules should guide, not control, so people can grow. And for objections, first is rules are needed for order and learning. Second, too much freedom can make confusion. Third, structure can help people work together. And I can present an examples. First is Galileo followed his idea even when others disagreed. And second, when students explore freely, they learn more deeply. And third, while cooking adobo your own way, make it more special. And for insights, real success needs both freedom and respect. Second, minds grow when we are free to ask and explore. Third, balance of rule and freedom brings true learning. And for conclusion, real progress happens when we use rules for safety but give freedom for creativity and respect for people. Thank you. I hope you understand and we will see next soon.